Gizmo, here, come here. Hi. Oop. Oh, jeez, okay. Gizmo, come here, baby. Hi, good boy. Come here. Come here, Gizmo. Hi. Hi. Come here. Come here, honey. Oh, I don't know why this happens. Let's keep you down here. Gizmo. Hi. Come here, Gizmo. You want to leave, huh? Come here, Gizmo. Huh? Hi. How are you? Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Did he give you the impression that he just wanted to leave here, period?
You know what? I had him out. I had him in the big run. He just didn't want any contact, really.
Yeah.
You know, he just, and when I did, he was hand shy, too.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I don't know what's happened to him. What he's been
Yeah,
through, but
yeah.
He just seems
Right.
not that great.
Not wanting to.
Hello, what do you think, lady? Hi.
He remembers you, so that's pretty good. I mean, that's so I don't know if he has to poop and that's why he's trying to get out of here, or what the story is. But yeah,